Imagine this. Right now, you have two choices. Either you can go watch Netflix, or you can go study for your economics test tomorrow. I would choose the first one. What would you choose? The sacrifice that you make in economics is called the opportunity cost. Hi friends, welcome to Econverse. I am Abrar and I am a fellow student just like you. Last year in my GCSEs, I topped in Oman for economics, and in this channel, I'm gonna make learning economics hopefully far simpler, clearer, and fun. In this video, we're gonna be looking at opportunity costs.
Alright, everybody, opportunity cost. Now, as we saw in the previous example, let's assume the same thing now. You have two decisions. One is your Netflix, and the other is your econ revision. Well, obviously with my channel. But anyway, now whichever decision you pick, the other one that you end up not picking is the opportunity cost. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's assume me, being the good student, decides to say, I'm going to go revise for economics. So what is the opportunity cost? The opportunity cost of this decision is missing out on Netflix. So in economics, this is defined by the next best alternative foregone. So there's quite a few examples of this in our real life. Now I want you to think about your own school life. So let's assume you have an assignment due tomorrow, and you also have a party to attend today. Whichever you decide to prioritize means that the other doesn't happen. So decisions drive opportunity cost. And why do we have to take decisions in the first place? It links back to the basic economic problem. So essentially, I think this is going to give you a gist that all of economics is quite well interconnected. Everything starts linking together. Now, let's take a look at a real life past paper question. Now, I've taken this past paper question from the 0455 IGCSE Cambridge Economics 1-1 paper, the MCQ paper from 2022. So student has nothing to do on a Friday evening. She withdraws $5 from the $100 that she has in her savings account and buys a present to take to a party, to which admission is free. What does this involve? An opportunity cost equal to $95, an opportunity cost equal to other goods she could have bought for $5, no opportunity cost as the entrance to the party is free, or no opportunity cost as she had no better way of using time. Okay. So I think one of the essential ideas that we need to remember is that in economics, there's no situation wherein there's no opportunity cost unless or until it is a free good. So that brings us to another discussion. So essentially in economics, you have two types of goods. You have economic goods and you have free goods. Now, the difference between these are economic goods take resources. They need resources to be produced, whereas free doesn't need any resources to be produced. Now, examples of economic goods could be stuff like bottled water. So now this is a paid thing and it requires resources. Whereas in the other end, a source of free good could be something like the air that you inhale. You don't need to pay for it. It doesn't need resources to be produced. And now, because economic goods need resources, they have opportunity costs. the resources could be used for something else. Whereas on the other hand, since free goods don't have any resources, there's no opportunity cost because there's no resources, so they don't need to be used in any other alternate method. So automatically, we eliminate C and we eliminate D. Now let's look at option A, an opportunity cost equal to $95. Now what is the opportunity cost again? The opportunity cost refers to the cost of the next best alternative foregone. And in this case, that statement simply makes no sense. So automatically, our answer for this question should be B. And let me just have a look at the mark scheme. 0455, paper 1 and 2022, question number 12. The answer is B. Well done. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for opportunity cost.
If this video helped you understand economics better, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to join to the Econverse, and I'll see you in the next video.